The red and orange.
This is a bowl of candy covered in honey and syrup. It is in a microwave for 2 minutes and 20 seconds. It is happening. It is done. We are doing it. We are doing this. It is us, orange and red. We are doing this. Oh. Orange and red, we are doing this. 1 minute 40. Red and orange. Microwaving. A minute has almost passed. Red and orange. A minute has passed. Red and orange. "30 seconds has passed. Red and orange." "10 seconds to go. What? Holy shit! What is happening? Wow! Wow! Whoa! Hell.
Looks like colourful poop.
Quickly, get something to prod it with.
I'll grab a prodding stick.
Just hurry up. It's getting smaller. My God. Alright, who's gonna be first one to eat this crap?
I will.
Here. Alright.
Good. Holy shit. It seems to be boiling hot. Whoa. Shut up.
Oh, got it. Oh crap, I think it's skin peel. Oh shit. Ah. Ow. Fuck.
The red and orange.
Haha. Frozen hand, cold, frozen banana is helping. The frozen banana is helping my burnt hand. Frozen bananas, 101 uses and still counting.